Can your eviction attorney just go to court for you on the landlord's behalf and the landlord doesn't have to show up to court? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I've been in court been in court the last couple of weeks here. One of the questions we always get from landlords from time to time is about, do they have to show up to court, especially if their case is contested and we have to go to a hearing for, determine whether or not a tenant should be kicked out of the house or not. And how I have to explain it to a landlord is like, here's the deal. In court, when the case is contested, you have to basically prove all elements of your case for an eviction, which is generally serving the notice, making sure the notice is proper, and also too, that the owner is someone related to the property. We call it in legalese the real party in interest. So the actual owner of the property, or they're managing the property as a professional property manager, etc. Here, one of the key issues that I have to tell a landlord you have to show up to court basically is if you don't show up to court, the court doesn't have admissible evidence to basically give you the order that you need. And then the landlord kind of looks at me with a cocked head. What do you mean? You're my attorney, blah, blah, blah. And I tell them, well, here's the deal. Am I the owner of your property? No. Did I issue the 3-day notice to pay rent? No. You issued your own notice. Okay, so those are things that you'll have to testify to in court. Unfortunately, I can't do that for you, basically, because I'm not the owner. I didn't enter into the rental agreements. I didn't issue the notice to pay rent in most cases. So those are items that have to be basically testified to in open court. No, you can't do this by declaration. The rules of evidence apply in these eviction cases. So yeah, you have to show up with me to court to present your case. So one trick that you can do so you don't have to go to court, should make this a separate video, is you might want to hire a property manager that does all this for you. So guess what? You hire the property manager to do the work of, entering into rental agreements and collecting rents. And then that way you remove yourself from the process. We may just make a separate video for that. Because from time to time, I got landlords that like to manage things on their own, but then they don't want to show up to court when they have to go to court and, deal with these eviction things. So hopefully this information is helpful. If you have questions, comments, put them down below. I'll try to answer them the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.